Once you've purchased your specialty coffee beans, achieving the perfect espresso extraction will require some tweaks. For those that want the more hands-on experience using manual mode, here's a barista to explain how it's done.
Okay, so you have your specialty coffee beans and you're ready to hit that brew button. Let's take a closer look at some extraction results you might come across and what adjustments you need to make to consistently create that balanced espresso shot. Baristas call finding the optimal extraction dialing in. This is because it usually revolves around just adjusting the grind dial to get the right grind size. Ambient temperature, humidity, and age of the coffee all play a part in the optimal setting, and it can be tricky. Pay attention to the shot clock as each extraction starts. If your espresso is flowing too fast, it's under-extracted, and you'll need to decrease your grind size, making it finer for the next coffee you make. However, if it's flowing too slowly, it's over-extracted. So increase your grind size, making it coarser for your next coffee. Keep an eye on this each time you make a coffee for that perfectly balanced shot. Just like this.
For a more hands-off experience without the guesswork, the Oracle Dual Boilers Auto Dial-In system will make automatic grind adjustments to help you make a better coffee each time you use it. You can turn this on and off in the settings menu.